Hello, my name is Frank Chagoya, and I'm a current student at Benedictine University. This is my course project final presentation for MBA 593 Web Analytics. Page or project overview. The purpose of this project is to generate traffic on a website, analyze metrics from user activity, develop actionable insights, and learn to improve return on investment. I created a website for my business to attract users and inspire them to contact me for my services, by providing insightful content and information about the benefits of the services I provide for digital asset management consulting. My website consists of valuable information, insights into digital asset management development, the research on digital asset management platforms, initiation and implementation, and best practices on metadata and taxonomy. I created the website for I wanted to learn how to use the metrics to understand how viewers navigated through my website and use the content I provide to see how valuable it was to them. I was hoping to learn how to understand the metrics to develop actionable insights to improve my website, the content, and also attract users to contact me. Audience overview. Over the past 3 months shows that I have had an increase of 71.4% in new viewers and 28.6% in returning viewers as compared to the previous 3 months. This can be attributed to the views from my classmates and interest I have generated from social media, as I have invited users from both Facebook and LinkedIn. Here you can see the spikes for the mid-November, which are the initial traffic, as I believe, from other students in the course, and additional spikes in late November, which is about the time that I posted invitations to social media, which were the Facebook and LinkedIn platforms. The page views report indicates the activity resulting from each web page or post I created. Here you see the viewer's frequency and the time spent on pages. You'll notice that the page viewers, although they decline as we go down to the last of the 10 pages, there is consistency within the middle section. This would be the actual landing page for my website, and then the subsequent blog pages. You'll also see that I have unique viewers to each page, as it's been consistent as I've posted new content to my blog. I noticed a trend with some pages that were being viewed longer. I analyzed the content of these pages and tried to tailor subsequent posts with similar content and style. This engagement report is showing me that the duration of sessions on my web pages is increasing over the past few months. You'll notice that the first one here is for 0 to 10 seconds, which is the most of the session's durations. But I also have quite a few areas in the increasing number of session times, so that they are actually going up to beyond the 600-second mark. Many of my viewers are spending over the 30 seconds to several minutes in the pages to read the content. This means the content I am providing is of interest and being useful to the viewers. The behavior flow report is providing me insights into the interactions my viewers are having with various pages on my site. This graphic shows the initial four areas of the interactions, but it also extends out to two more levels to the right that were cut off here. These red markers are the actual bounce rate points, and you'll notice that there are quite a few at the very beginning, which shows less interest in the content. However, as you progress through the website, you'll notice that the frequency of these drop-off points is extended farther and farther out. You'll see here this flow goes consistently all the way to this point, and this one flows all the way through the second, or the first, the second, the third, and continues on to fourth interaction points before actual drop-off. I see that the trends over the past few weeks that users are navigating to more page views before they finally drop off. This is important to me as it indicates a growing interest in my content, which will hopefully eventually lead to the goal completion of calling me. The acquisition overview report demonstrates where users are coming from to land on my web pages. I've noticed increase here in both the direct and social channels. You'll notice that there is no indication for organic resource. This is unusual for me because I believe that the keywords I've been using have been valuable in these organic searches. However, there is no indication here that there has been any productive flow from organic searches. So I will be reviewing my content to improve my chances of traffic from this organic sources. The page views report provides more specific metrics per web page. As viewers are showing more interest in my content and navigating into more pages, I can see how this is reflected in this report. Here I see more viewers are reaching the Contact Me page. This is very important to me as the users need to follow to that page in order to uh, get more information about me and contacting me or leaving any comments. So it's important. This is actually a goal that I had set as well. The User Explorer report has been providing me metrics on individual users. This depicts lengths of sessions per user on my website. Here I can see which users are spending more time interacting with specific content. You'll notice here the first one is over 2 minutes, the second is over 3 minutes, and then as you go down further into the 7th and 8th and 9th, we're again at the 2 minute or over, or 1 minute or over mark where people are spending time on these, and the bounce rates are relatively low compared to other users on this chart. I see here that there are quite a few viewers that are spending several minutes on my site. This information is quite useful in targeting these users in other remarketing campaigns. As a recap, I'd like to take a comparison look at the initial metrics from my site. The site traffic has increased by over 65% in these past few weeks over the last 3 months. I've also had social media contributions to the traffic, as I have created invitations to view my blog. The sessions have also become longer Also, the longer in the sessions, you'll see that there are more page views uh, being as a result from the length of time being on the website itself. Also, I've noticed that there's a deeper bounce rate into the traffic or navigation onto the site. This all means to me that there's a stronger interest in my content, which also reflects a stronger likelihood to contact me for my services. I will use this insightful information to update my site with better keywords to drive traffic from organic searches and also tailor new content to be more useful to my viewers. This will help this will help drive a higher return on investment for my business as it will increase my viewer numbers and hopefully attract them to call me with this, which is the main business goal. I have not received any calls as yet, however, the pattern indicates that this would be the next step for several viewers. Having set a goal for my viewers to reach the contact me page, I have attracted 5 of them to this completion point. I have seen the return on investment metric grow from 0 in the past few weeks, which indicates a slow but steady trend towards the ultimate goal. This is how I've been defining and measuring my return on investment. Key takeaways for the course have been numerous, starting with the collection of user data being very impressionable. Also been able to compare data. Have been given insights from the dimensions, the metrics, and also these are actionable insights, as well as learning on how to improve my return on investment. So collected data, this is the top takeaway for me. To see the vast abundance of usable information and metrics within the numerous report types was incredible. It was overwhelming at first, but once I was able to understand how to extract valuable trends and meanings from the reports, I felt more in control and comfortable with the data. I feel this was my greatest takeaway. Another great takeaway was the ability to compare data within different time frames, dimensions, metrics, to gain valuable, actionable insights for improving return on investment. This helped me to spot trends in viewer usage and site content, which is extremely helpful. I have learned a tremendous amount over the term of this course, from initiating a website and blog to using valuable data and metrics to understand user behavior and trends. I can now make valuable decisions about my website and content to better attract and retain users that may decide to complete the final goal of hiring me for my services. By focusing on my business goals, I can use the valuable reporting tools to distinguish actionable insights that will help me improve not only my website, but also my business. Thank you for viewing this presentation and thank you for your interest.